The Biscay Gulf project is the power interconnection between France and Spain. This project, Prysmian, is responsible for the design, manufacturing, installation, testing and commissioning of 400 kilometers of submarine and land power cables. Once operational in 2028, this new interconnection will increase the total energy exchange between the two countries to 5 gigawatts. This project represents a milestone and a challenge for Prysmian because microtunnels have been selected for the first time due to the proximity of a protected area and the need to minimize the environmental impacts. Two microboring machines has excavated 3 underground tunnels on the French landfall, reaching a maximum depth of 36 meters and a maximum length of 1,350 meters, setting the record for the longest microtunnel excavated in France.
With the commissioning expected by 2028, the state-of-the-art energy infrastructure will play a vital role in reinforcing European electricity networks, promoting cross-border energy collaboration, and advancing sustainability objectives across the regions.